Welcome to ZOTAC Cup's tournament highlights. Let's jump right into the action. Jang Sung-woong is left as the last player standing. Staying calm, he pushes into Harbor smoke and uses the cover to swing Harbor. Dives back into the orb and catches Brimstone, securing the round. Holding showers, Savano swiftly trades his teammate for 2 kills, leaving the team in a 3v2 advantage. Hearing footsteps coming from flank, Savano repositions, throwing their boombot when they hear the enemy raise ult. Savano pushes, forcing a 1v1 with Viper, getting the pick, uses Satchel to reposition into Lamp, however they lose the trade with Raze. Jang Sung-woong clears the way onto A side and gets a spike down. With good game sense, they're able to catch Skye on the flank and get the round. Psycho sprints for a weapon, hearing enemy footsteps behind him, grabs the Vandal and quickly turns around, catching both players. Kyrie, forced into a 2v1 situation, dances around A side boxes, forcing 1v1 situations to take back the round. Savano peeks with Op, catching Raze and dashes immediately to Heaven to watch A main. Savano peeks Heaven, missing the jet but updrafts to avoid getting caught out. Savano peeks Heaven again, catching Astra, then dashes out with a shorty, landing on the jet for the round.
Think you have what it takes to land a spot in the highlight reel? Check out the description below for information on joining ZOTAC Cup's tournaments.